Hello guys, this is Kelvin Chen from AlunoTec Beauty of Pergola. Today I'm going to share with you another product which is called a manual rollable light behind me. So this is the manual rollable light. Yeah, we can have it to going up and going down. This is mainly for sun shading, and of course it can be stopped in any levels. And there is also a lock over here to lock the blind. Yep, to make it down, there is a hole to lock on the blind. Yes, and then open it. We can have the handle, rolling it up. Yeah. Okay, and this one is with the zipper. Both sides has the zipper to lock at both sides. Check. Yeah, and the fabric is with the 5% openness, so you can partly see through. And of course you can feel it. This one is mainly for sun shading, for protect from the light ring as well. And if you want to better option to resist the ring, then we can have the others is like 0% openness, so it's hardly to see through, and it's going to be more tighter for the fabric. Yeah. This is also have many colors to offer to customer to have it. Yeah, and at the top part there is a hand box, which is the rolling system inside with the spring system inside, so you can rolling it up all together on the top. And you can see there also has the rubbers at the bottom side to stop it. Yeah, to protect the profile. This whole set is with aluminum profile and with the polyester fabric together. Yeah, and the size is totally customized. It can make in up to 6 meters long. Yeah, around 20 feet, and the height, the maximum is around 3 meters. And of course, for we can, if the wide is not that wider, it's just soft pieces, then we can make the height out to 6 meters, 5 meters is also totally fine. Just if you have any inquiry about the rollable light, you can send us an inquiry and we can show you in details. Of course, more significant is that motorized is also acceptable, workable for such a system, and manual as well. Yeah, both systems you can decide which one is more you would like to have. Yeah. Okay, so this is the light I would like to share to you today. Thank you so much. See you next time.